I have a mystery spinner. I can see that 1/6 of my spinner is green. I can see 2/7 of my spinner is red, but I don't know what is left for the other part of my spinner. So what I do know is that my whole spinner has a value of 1. Probability maximum is 100%, and 100% is equal to 1. So what I want to do is I want to take 1/6 of my spinner and add it to 2/7 of my spinner to see how much of my spinner is already covered. Well, I can't add fractions if they don't have common denominators. So to find a common denominator, I'm thinking of what is the lowest common multiple that 6 and 7 have, meaning what number can both 6 and 7 divide into. I know they can both divide into 42. If I didn't know that, I could use a multiplication chart, or I could make a list of all the multiples of 6 and all the multiples of 7 and see when they cross. So I'm going to change 1/6 into equal fraction of something over 42. Well, I know 6 times 7 equals 42, so I'm going to multiply 1 times 7, because really if I'm multiplying 1/6 times 7 over 7, 7 over 7 is 1, so I'm really not changing the value of the fraction. 6 times 7 is 42, and 7 times 1 is 7. So basically what I'm saying is 1/6 of this fraction of the spinner is green, or I could also call that if 7 over 42 parts of the spinner is green. So if I divided the spinner into 42 sections, 7 of them would be green. I'm going to do the same thing to 2/7. I know 7 times 6 equals 42, and I know 2 times 6 equals 42. 2 times 6 equals 12. So 2/7 is equal to 12 over 42. So again, if I would have divided the spinner into 42 sections, 12 of them would be red. So now that I have my fractions with common denominators, I'm going to look at it. I know 7 out of the 42 sections are green. I know 12 out of the 42 sections are red. So altogether, 19 out of the 42 sections are either green or red. Well, again, we said the whole spinner is equal to 1. Another way I could say that is the whole spinner is 42 sections. So if 19 of the 42 sections are either green or red, then I need to know what left is for my mystery part. So if I take 42 over 42 and I subtract 19 over 42, and again, I'm subtracting that because I know 19 out of 42 are either green or red. So 42 minus 19 would be 23, and my final answer is 23 out of 42.